Hello guys, welcome to Basic Nursing Classes. Myself Amanpreet. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very rare disease, that is pheochromocytoma. Okay, and this disease, it's related to excessive release of catecholamines, that is the hormones which are secreted by adrenal medulla. Okay, basically adrenal gland, it has two parts, adrenal medulla and cortex. The cortex releases glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, and adrenal medulla that secretes catecholamines, which are epinephrine and non-epinephrine. And the other name of these hormones, that is adrenaline or non-adrenaline. Okay, and in pheochromocytoma, because of any tumor, okay, any tumor growth in that region, in the medulla region, there is excessive release of these hormones. Okay, we all know these hormones, adrenaline and non-adrenaline, these hormones are released in response to any stress conditions. Okay, and that condition is also called fight and flight response. Okay, that is a normal response of the body in relation to any stress conditions, whether it can be emotional stress or physical stress. Okay, but because of no reason and because of tumor, there is excessive release of these hormones in the body. So when we normally do not require these hormones, so and when they are released in the body, they can lead to some severe signs and symptoms, okay, which can be increased BP. Okay, because these are basically related to in response to stress. Okay, so they increase everything up. Okay, so increased BP, increased heart rate, there can be palpitations, okay, sweating, increased blood sugar level, tremors, facial flushing, and heat intolerance, etc. So everything goes up in the body. Okay, and that condition, these signs and symptoms, these can lead to hypertension crisis. Okay, because they can lead to excessive rise in blood pressure, and that condition is called paroxysmal hypertension crisis. And very high BP can also lead to stroke. Okay, so it's a very critical condition, and this condition, it is very difficult to treat. Okay, and the only thing we can do is we can remove that tumor. Okay, so or we can remove the gland. So removal of gland or removal of tumor is the only option, that is adrenalectomy. It is done in this disease. Plus is this condition, it's not responsive to any other medications. We cannot control the release of these hormones, so it is very difficult to treat the condition. So if the patient is having this disease, obviously we have to measure the vital signs, because everything is going up. Okay, the main responsibility is to monitor the vital signs, because we can then prevent the patient to go in a very critical situation. Plus we also need to maintain cool and calm environment, because that cannot stimulate the patient. Okay, if the patient is once stimulated, when everything goes up. Okay, and the patient needs to avoid some activities which can increase the hypertension crisis. For example, bending, lifting, okay, Valsalva maneuver, these have to be avoided. Plus there is no abdominal palpation performed in pheochromocytoma. Okay, because that can displace the tumor in medulla. Okay, plus the medications which are normally used in pheochromocytoma, that is nitroprusside, and it is a vasodilator. Okay, that's the emergency medication which is used, and it is given IV, because this vasodilator that brings everything down. Okay, and these are the main things which a nurse should know from the exam point of view. Okay, so till then, good luck. Thank you.